Hey everyone, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Morphe 35M palette. I'm going to show you swatches, a tutorial, and my thoughts. So let's get started. I'm going to start by showing you the palette. This is the packaging. It does get scratched a little easier, but you can wipe it off with a makeup wipe to get away all these fingerprints. This is the inside. It comes with one of these plastic sheets that has all of the names on them. And here are the colors. I really like the colors of this palette. There's a lot of nice purples, oranges, and greens. I used the greens on my eyes today and in the tutorial. I have used the purples and the oranges in looks throughout this week. I have not tried the reddish shades like these yet, but you will see swatches of those later. I'm going to be doing swatches on my arm. I'm not the best swatcher, so bear with me, and I will do my best to show you all the colors. I'm going to start with the top row, and I'm going to go left to right. Moving on to the second row. Onto the third row. Onto the fourth row. Onto the last row. Sorry that last clip wasn't in focus, but here is the rest of that row. So the swatches are not the best, but they definitely perform a lot better on the eyes. If you blend, it does work better and you can build up the colors. So I really like this palette. It performs really well in the eyes, and you will see that in the tutorial coming up. But these are the colors again. I do think there are a couple shades that are a little bit similar, like these two browns, these two greens, a couple of these reds are kind of similar. But the quality is very good, and overall, there's a lot of colors to choose from. This is a very fall themed palette, and I think it's also good for Halloween. So let's get into the tutorial. I have already primed my eyelid with concealer and set that, and now I'm going to take the shade Stroke of Luck and put that into the crease. Next, to deepen the outer corner and crease, I'm going to be taking the shade Nude Tude. Next, I'm just going to blend the crease a little bit. To deepen it up even more, I'm going to take the shade Green with Envy. And again, blend some more. Next, I'm going to take the shade Stand Out on my finger and apply that to the lid. I'm going to take a little bit more of Green with Envy to deepen the outer corner again and blend. Next, I'm going to take the shade Bold Moves and place that on the inner part of the lid. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take the shade Green with Envy. finish the look, apply mascara. So here is the finished look. Overall, I really like the palette. I really like this look that I created today, and I would definitely recommend it if you like colors. If you don't really like colors, you probably wouldn't like that palette because there's just a bronze look. That's the most neutral thing you can do. But I really like the palette, and again, if you like the colors, I would definitely recommend it. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see another look with this palette, let me know which colors you would like me to use down below. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!